It's my 2000 Chevy Impala 3400. I've replaced the fuel pressure regulator just there. Fuel pump and filter's been replaced. It'll sit here and idle all day long. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. Got a bad blower motor. I touch the gas, it dies. I put it in gear, it dies. Sometimes if I gently ease on the gas, it'll rev. I do it fast, it falls on its face. See, that was kind of, and it backfired there. I've been kind of chasing a low to no fuel pressure. I put it in gear. Oh, right there it stalled. I tried to give it a little gas and it shut off. It started back up there, surprisingly. That's low washer fluid coming up down here. I cannot read my check engine light. I don't know what's wrong with my OBD port, but I can't check it. So I'm at a total loss. Let's put it in gear. Oh, now it runs, but it just shut off. Started right back up. Even if I hold my foot down a little bit to keep it, you know, kind of going, I put it in gear, it dies. Started right back up. I think that temperature gauge is wrong also, because it wasn't overheating at all prior to this. Again, temperature gauge didn't even work, and it never gave me an overheating issue. I drove it for an hour, 2 hours, let it idle and run. So I shut it off there. Take the key out, back in, prime it once, twice, 3 times, fire it right up, foot's not on the gas, low washer fluid again. Touch the gas, shuts down. Ease onto the gas. So I was gradually getting into it and then shooting it to the floor. Here's just off the throttle to the floor. Off the throttle to the floor, it stalls. Won't start. Fires up. Ease into the throttle to the floor. It dies. Ease into the throttle. It dies. So now we're going to prime 1, 2, 3, Fire right up. Now this car will run and rev and everything. It'll function like a new, like nothing's wrong. You spray starting fluid into the intake. I'm not understanding what's going on here.